A very good evening. Welcome to this live streaming from the Tribune Network. I'm Rohit Bhan. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has yet again landed in the controversy, this time over a statement which he made in Rohtak. I'm joined by my senior colleague Geetanjali for more on this. Geetanjali, what did he say exactly at Rohtak?
Rohit, he was there for a program, and before he took off to his next destination, a few reporters told him that the data on deaths was not being provided by the district administration. So he basically said that we shouldn't be playing with data at this crucial time, and instead our focus should be on how to improve people's health,
Right.
and what infrastructure improvements we can make, or what systematic improvements we can make. So he said by raising a clamor, the dead are not going to come back to life.
Right.
So nobody should be focused on data and the number of deaths taking place.
Gayatri, coming at a time when, we are talking about so many deaths, thousands of people dying, lakhs of people dying across the country. Even in this, in Haryana, there have been a lot of casualties. Isn't this statement, many would argue, insensitive for a head of a state to make?
It is obviously insensitive, and he has come in for a lot of criticism from the Congress.
Right.
Randeep Surjewala has said that this can only come from a ruthless ruler like him.
Right.
Shelja, the Congress president of the state, has also condemned this statement.
And also, there have been a lot of angry statements on the internet, people reacting on Twitter against the chief minister. Has the government tried to clarify or tried to defend? What has been the reaction of the government to these?
The government hasn't clarified.
Right.
Basically, he was wanting to say that let's not focus on data, not necessarily number of deaths, but
Right.
data in general,
Right.
and that the priority of his government at this point was to provide relief to the patients in hospitals, or patients wanting admission, or deal with oxygen shortage. So, his idea in saying that wasn't really the deaths. He wasn't mocking the deaths that happened.
Right. So something lost in translation, I
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Okay. And coming to the point, the casualties in Haryana, what is the status? First, tell us, there's a surge even in COVID cases in Haryana. What is the latest daily caseload and casualties?
12,000 cases daily we are getting, and 84 deaths took place in the last 24 hours.
Right.
So that's a huge number. In fact, this has increased fourfold.
Right.
The highest deaths we had touched in the highest number of cases we had touched in the first wave was 3,000. 3,100. So there's a fourfold increase in the number of cases coming. And on Haryana, there is especially more burden because lots of people from Delhi and Punjab and Rajasthan are coming to these hospitals here.
And how is the government coping up with this? 4 times you said it's increased. So how is the government coping up?
Basically, they have asked for more oxygen, which the center has partially granted.
Right.
And they are hoping that, in the next 2-3 days, the CM held a press conference today, and he said that in the next 2-3 days,
Right.
we are hopeful of, streamlining the entire oxygen shortage. And, there's no shortage in the state as such,
Right.
but we'll get more of oxygen.
And also, what is the status in cities like Gurugram and Faridabad? Is the government dealing with the crisis there effectively?
There are no beds there, basically.
Right.
So, any new patients coming in, obviously, they are facing trouble.
Right.
The patient load there is too much for the government to deal with, or for the system there to deal with, or the hospitals there to deal with.
And additional facilities being created?
They are creating additional facilities, but nothing is seeming enough at this point.
Thank you so much. So there you have a huge challenge for the state government, and also as we mentioned, that the chief minister landing in trouble by those remarks, though his supporters believe that it's lost in translation. He didn't mean what he actually said, but Congress nevertheless had made it an issue. They're saying that is a very insensitive comment to have been made by the chief minister. You can log on to our website tribuneindia.com for further news, especially related to COVID, the situation in the region, in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal and other parts of the country. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook for more updates. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.